Deciding where to live in your latter years might be difficult. These days, people choose their retirement locations not only on factors like location near friends and family and desirability, but also on factors like the quality of life a city offers and the potential for maximum financial stability. Between 200,000 and 250,000 retired Britons are thought to be residing in Europe at the moment. But which city will appeal to retirees and those getting close to retirement in 2024 the most? Reduced expenses are crucial for retirees who want to stretch their money farther, and a lot of them now take the cost of living into account. It's critical to make sure you have enough money for your lifestyle in retirement. You can weigh the benefits and drawbacks of setting up a guaranteed income for life and determine the danger of depleting your pension assets too soon with the use of a pension drawdown calculator. In today's video, we will talk about the 10 best cities to live or retire in Europe. So, make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Number 10. Valletta, Malta. Malta is not only the best of Mediterranean Europe in terms of weather and cuisine, but it's also among the most reasonably priced places to adopt this way of life. The 122-square-mile, three-island nation of Malta has been putting a lot of effort into becoming more well-known abroad, and in 2018, Valletta, the capital, was chosen as the European Capital of Culture. There is good health care, low crime rates, and the language spoken is English. Although Malta does not provide retiree visas, it does provide one of the greatest residency options in Europe for non-EU residents through its Global Residence Program. All you have to do to be eligible is rent a residence for as little as €800 a month. Number 9. Popoli, Italy. With a population of about 5,000, Popoli, Italy, is a sought-after therapeutic center and a total getaway from the problems of the contemporary world, nestled in the valley of three Apennine Mountains. The long dormant volcano beneath this medieval town gives it the name Città dell'Acqua, or the City of Water, as it erupts thermal spring water that has been known for its therapeutic qualities since the Roman era. On this location, the first health center was constructed in 1885, but it was destroyed during World War II. The contemporary Terme di Popoli, which first opened its doors in 1998, treats a wide range of illnesses using the hot waters in the region. The institution sees at least 1,000 patients a day during peak season. Number 8. Paris, France. For me, Paris, France is the best place I've ever called home. All the amenities of daily life are conveniently close by, whether you're walking from the 1st to the 20th arrondissement in one of Paris's central historic neighborhoods. Booksellers, vintage stores, champagne cellars, parks, gardens, and woods, theaters, galleries, museums, exquisite food, and opulent shopping. Nothing is lacking in Paris. Every day is an opportunity for exploration, although Central Paris remains mostly unchanged as an outdoor museum. It's also among the best wealth storehouses in the globe. A charming apartment in a prime position in this city will always find a buyer or renter, and Paris real estate values are rising as a result of Brexit, which is forcing wealth from London to continue flowing to the City of Light. Over the previous 2 years, several communities have experienced appreciation of 20% or more. Number 7. Carcasson, France. When the sun rises over the historic city of Carcasson in southeast France, you can understand why Walt Disney is claimed to have been inspired by its towers, turrets, and fortifications. This was a significant stronghold for centuries near the center of Cathar land. Carcassonne, the headquarters of the Aude department in the Occitanie region of France, has a lot to offer both locals and visitors these days, including a Michelin-starred restaurant, a medieval fortress, St. Nazarius Basilica, boutiques, and artists' workshops. The Place Carnot, where a produce market is held 3 times a week, with its charming fountain and street-side cafes and restaurants, is the hub of life in the Bastide. There is a park and an 18-hole golf course 10 minutes distant by car. The Mediterranean's sandy beaches are only an hour away, and the Pyrenees skiing is 90 minutes distant. Number 6. Kotor, Montenegro. Nestled between Croatia and Albania in southern Europe, this tiny country by the sea is home to 500,000 inhabitants spread over a territory smaller than the state of Connecticut. Possibly the best preserved medieval town in the Mediterranean, Bayside Kotor is a UNESCO World Heritage Site bordered by the brilliant Adriatic on one side and high mountains on the other, while the St. Tryphon's Cathedral, dating from the 11th century, stands as the focal point of the old town square. Its cafes and stores are vibrant and teeming with youthful energy. This is a lesser-known but amiable, secure, and hospitable region of Europe, similar to more reasonably priced ancient Italian stone villages. The tax environment in Montenegro is advantageous, featuring low rates of capital gains, property, income, and real estate transfers. It is anticipated that the nation will join the EU in 2025. Number 5. Città Sant'Angelo, Italy. In the center of Italy's Abruzzo region, one of the greenest in Europe, and with more than a dozen ski resorts in one direction and 80 miles of coastline in the other, sits 9th century Città Sant'Angelo, perched on a hilltop with views of the Gran Sasso Mountain, the Adriatic, and vineyards and olive groves in between. Città Sant'Angelo is one of the most beautiful cities in Italy, and it has acquired the moniker of Borgo. Additionally, Sant'Angelo has been named a Città Slow, a community dedicated to maintaining customs and opposing urbanization. Città Sant'Angelo hasn't altered much throughout the ages, and the locals appreciate it that way. Number 4. Cascais, Portugal. The coast of Cascais, Portugal, is a mile-long stretch of sheltered coves, sandy dunes, and rocky outcroppings that boasts some of the best beaches in Europe, a marina, 9 world-class golf courses, over 100 parks and gardens, world-class dining, a mild year-round climate, close proximity to Lisbon, the capital city, and an all-around exceptional standard of living. The coastal city is home to a sizable and friendly expat community and has one of the lowest crime rates in all of Europe. Originally a community of farmers and fishermen, Cascais has grown into a small city of around 200,000 people, replete with a retail center, a casino, 13 bilingual and international schools, 2 hospitals, and a university campus. Number 3. Lublana, Slovenia. Slovenia is a hilly nation with 30 miles of Mediterranean coastline that is tucked away in the center of Central Europe, surrounded by Italy, Austria, Hungary, and Croatia. Literally and figuratively, the center of the nation, Ljubljana, the capital of the Old World, is easily accessible from both beaches and ski regions. Despite having all the conveniences of the 21st century, Ljubljana maintains its small-town charm. Every day, local farmers wheel their products in wooden carts to the market. For as little as 100 euros a month, you may live this old-world lifestyle backed by first-rate infrastructure. Number 2. Anese, France. Lakeside. Annecy, known as the Pearl of the French Alps, is a great site to visit all year round, but its ski slopes are its main draw in the winter. The lakefront is busy in the summer, but not only with visitors. In contrast to other popular ski resorts in France, fairy tale rather than being a traditional haunt of European snow bunnies, Annecy is a vibrant, multicultural municipality rather than a just tourist destination. Annecy, which has been named a city of history and art as well as a city in bloom, has the appearance of an outdoor museum. Its streets host the annual art festival, Noctibules, in July, and Europe's largest fireworks display, the Fête du Lac, takes place in August. Number 1. Algarve, Portugal. The Algarve region of Portugal is a land of adjectives. These 100 miles of coastline have some of the greatest beaches in Europe and world-class golf courses, along with 3,300 hours of sunlight annually and more sunny days than any other region in Europe. Portugal ranks 6th in the world for safety in the 2022 Global Peace Index, with the Algarve region perhaps having the lowest rate of crime in the nation. Because of decades-long ties to Britain, English is widely spoken, and living expenses in the Algarve are among the lowest in Europe. One of the best EU programs, the Golden Visa program, was created by Portugal in 2012. Additionally, retirees can become citizens of this nation by proving they make at least 1,070 euros a month. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing, so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time. Until then, happy retirement.